there's an ingredient in your weight loss supplements that you should be aware of. It's called raspberry ketones. Raspberry ketones are an ingredient I first saw about 8 or 9 years ago. And first thing I'd point out to you is that raspberry ketones have no relationship to the ketogenic diet. So that's something to keep in the back of your mind, especially if you take a keto supplement, you should not see raspberry ketones. So what are raspberry ketones? Well, they are the molecules in raspberries that help them smell like raspberries. And several years ago, raspberry ketones were marketed as a miracle in a bottle that'll burn fat. Well, the miracle was based on 2 mouse studies. You're not a mouse, and so you should insist on human research for any dietary supplement you put in your body. I still cannot find any human research on raspberry ketones, and so I suggest that if you are taking a weight loss supplement and the first or second ingredient you see in the ingredients list is raspberry ketones, put it back. It will not work. Hope that helped. For more info on the science of supplements, follow me on YouTube. Talk to you.